In a quiet corner of Alabama, a discovery has emerged that has left scientists utterly astounded. Hidden beneath the surface, this phenomenon has sparked a wave of curiosity and excitement across the scientific community. What was thought to be an ordinary region is now being closely studied for its extraordinary features. Researchers have already called it a potential game changer, with implications stretching far beyond the state's borders. This breakthrough could provide new insights into fields ranging from geology to biology, depending on what further analysis reveals. But what exactly has been uncovered, and why is it creating such a stir? What makes this find so significant, and how could it change our understanding of the natural world? Here are the most recent discoveries in Alabama: the Appalachian Mysteries, unearthing ancient fossils. The Appalachian Mountains stretch majestically across Alabama, concealing secrets that date back hundreds of millions of years. Recently, a fossilized forest was uncovered in this region, revealing a stunning snapshot of Earth's prehistoric past. These ancient remains include towering tree stumps and ferns from the Carboniferous period, when Alabama was a vast, swampy forest. This discovery is significant because it sheds light on how ancient ecosystems functioned and the role they played in Earth's carbon cycle. Imagine walking through a modern forest and realizing that the same area once hosted giant dragonflies and amphibians larger than human. The intricate details preserved in these fossils tell a story of resilience and adaptation, but they also raise a question. What else lies beneath the surface, waiting to be found? Alabama's waterways, guardians of ancient secrets. Alabama's rivers, like the Tennessee and Coosa, have carved paths through time, shaping the landscape and preserving traces of the past. Recently, sediment analysis revealed remnants of marine fossils, indicating that parts of Alabama were once submerged beneath an ancient sea. These findings include the skeletons of marine reptiles and shells from mollusks that lived millions of years ago. But the rivers hold more than fossils. Artifacts from ancient civilizations have been discovered along their banks, hinting at a time when these waterways were bustling trade routes. Could there be undiscovered settlements or treasures hidden within the sediment? The interplay between geological evolution and human history makes Alabama's waterways a living archive of the past. Hidden wonders. Alabama's subterranean caves. Beneath Alabama's rolling hills lies an extensive network of caves, many of which remain unexplored. Among these, Cathedral Caverns stands out for its awe-inspiring formation. However, recent exploration has uncovered even more hidden chambers within these karst systems, some containing rare minerals and ancient fossils. One particularly exciting find was a cave system housing the remains of Ice Age creatures. Bones of mastodons and saber-toothed cats have been uncovered, providing a window into a time when Alabama's climate was vastly different. These discoveries fuel speculation. Could there be untouched caves, hiding even more extraordinary relics? New fossil shark species. Old fossil unearthed in Alabama.
So now a new species of fossil shark has been discovered in Alabama. This is the shark species, which is named after the late Dr. Bruce Bazzucco. He served as a dean at Shelton State Community College and was a longtime volunteer at McWane Science Center. This shark is the first of the species in the Gulf coastal region. That is pretty cool.
In early 2024, paleontologists revealed the discovery of a new species of fossil shark, Paleohypatitis bizzicoi, offering valuable insights into the ancient ecosystems that flourished shortly after the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event 65 million years ago. This groundbreaking identification was based on teeth recovered over 100 years ago from the Clayton Formation in Wilcox County, Alabama, a site well known for its rich repository of Paleogene fossils. The Clayton Formation represents a critical period in Earth's history when life was gradually recovering from the catastrophic event that wiped out the dinosaurs and numerous other species. The discovery of Paleohypatitis bizzicoi highlights the resilience and adaptability of sharks, which not only survived the mass extinction, but also diversified into new species. The teeth of Paleohypatitis bizzicoi are small, sharp, and serrated, optimized for capturing prey in marine environments that were likely dominated by smaller fish and invertebrates. These characteristics suggest that this shark occupied a middle-tier predator role in the food web, a position that played a crucial role in stabilizing the ecosystem during this recovery period. One intriguing aspect of this discovery is the context in which the teeth were initially collected. Fossil hunters in the late 19th and early 20th centuries often amassed large quantities of specimens without the benefit of modern scientific techniques. It was only through a detailed re-examination of these collections, coupled with advanced imaging technologies and comparative analysis, that researchers could distinguish Paleohypotodus bizicoi as a distinct species. This discovery not only sheds light on the biodiversity of post-dinosaur extinction marine environments, but also underscores the value of revisiting historical fossil collections. By combining historical specimens with modern methodologies, paleontologists can continue to uncover hidden chapters of Earth's ancient history, offering fresh perspectives on the evolutionary pathways of life. Coastal Secrets, Alabama's Gulf of Mystery.
A few hours away down the road. Shelley Perrino is here from the Alabama Gulf Coast Convention and Visitors Bureau to tempt us with some reasons to visit there.
Alabama's Gulf Coast isn't just a vacation hotspot, it's a gateway to the unknown. Recent underwater surveys revealed the remains of an ancient shipwreck, believed to date back to the early European exploration era. This find opens the door to countless possibilities. Could there be more undiscovered shipwrecks, or even evidence of prehistoric human activity beneath the waves? Additionally, the Gulf's unique ecosystem has led to the discovery of previously unknown marine species. Biologists recently identified a new type of bioluminescent jellyfish near the coast. These discoveries remind us of the uncharted wonders lurking in Alabama's water. Ancient cave art, Unveiling 1,000-year-old Native American engravings in Alabama. In 2022, researchers made an extraordinary discovery in northern Alabama. A collection of Native American cave art revealed through cutting-edge 3D scanning technology. This ancient artwork, hidden deep within a limestone cave, includes massive engravings such as life-size human figures and an 11-foot-long rattlesnake estimated to be approximately 1,000 years old. These engravings represent one of the most significant examples of prehistoric art in North America, offering a rare glimpse into the cultural and spiritual lives of the region's indigenous peoples. The artwork was initially difficult to identify due to the low ceilings and confined spaces of the cave, making traditional observation methods challenging. The use of advanced 3D photogrammetry allowed archaeologists to digitally reconstruct the cave's interior, enhancing the visibility of the intricate engraving. This non-invasive technique not only preserved the fragile site, but also provided detailed images that could be analyzed without physical disturbance. The symbolism of the engraving reflects the complex belief systems of the Native American cultures that inhabited the region. The life-size human figures may represent spiritual leaders, warriors, or mythological beings, while the massive rattlesnake is believed to hold significant cultural and religious meaning, often associated with fertility, protection, or the underworld. The scale and detail of these images suggests they were created with great care and reverence, likely serving ceremonial or ritualistic purposes. The cave art is thought to be part of the Mississippian cultural tradition, which flourished in the southeastern United States between 800 and 1600 CE. This tradition is known for its elaborate ceremonial sites, complex societies, and sophisticated artistic expressions. The discovery of these engravings adds a new dimension to our understanding of this period, highlighting the importance of caves as sacred spaces and storytelling canvases. Preservation efforts are now underway to protect this invaluable cultural heritage from environmental degradation and human interference. The findings continue to inspire awe and provide critical insights into the artistic and spiritual practices of ancient Native American societies. 1,400-year-old Native American Canal, a masterpiece of ancient engineering in Alabama. In 2022, archaeologists unveiled a significant discovery near Gulf Shores, Alabama. A 1,400-year-old canal, meticulously constructed by Native Americans, around 600 CE. Stretching nearly a mile, this canal is a remarkable feat of engineering, showcasing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the indigenous peoples who inhabited the region long before European contact. The canal is believed to have served multiple purposes, primarily facilitating access to rich fishing grounds in the mobile Tensaw Delta. The Delta, a complex network of rivers, streams, and wetlands, teemed with aquatic life, providing a crucial food source for the local population. By creating a direct waterway, the inhabitants could efficiently navigate the landscape, reducing the effort required to traverse the natural obstacles of the swampy terrain. In addition to its role in fishing, the canal likely functioned as a trade route connecting different communities within the region. The Gulf Coast was a hub of cultural exchange, with goods such as pottery, tools, and ceremonial items moving through these networks. The canal's construction underscores the sophistication of these communities in organizing labor and utilizing environmental resources to support both their immediate needs and broader economic activities. Excavations revealed evidence of the canal's construction, including carefully aligned walls and signs of maintenance over time. The precise engineering suggests the use of tools and techniques that have yet to be fully understood, pointing to a high level of skill and planning. Radiocarbon dating of organic material found in the canal further corroborates its age, aligning it with the rise of the Mississippian cultural period in the southeastern United States. This discovery not only sheds light on the technological and cultural achievements of early Native American societies, but also emphasizes the importance of preserving archaeological sites. The canal offers a window into a complex and interconnected world that existed long before modern infrastructure reshaped the landscape. The Coosa River Valley, cradle of civilization. The Coosa River Valley has long been a focal point for archaeological research, revealing tools, pottery, and burial mounds from ancient Native American cultures. One recent discovery was a sprawling prehistoric village near Wetumpka. The site includes evidence of advanced agricultural practices and trade networks. This discovery challenges previous assumptions about the complexity of these societies. Researchers are now investigating whether similar sites exist nearby. Could Alabama's soil hold the key to understanding early human innovation and resilience? The Black Belt's geological puzzle. Alabama's Black Belt region, known for its rich soil, also harbors a wealth of geological secrets. Fossils from the Cretaceous period, including those of ancient marine reptiles, have been unearthed here. These finds offer clues about a time when Alabama was part of a shallow sea. The Black Belt's archaeological significance is equally compelling. Excavations have uncovered remnants of Native American settlements, providing insights into their daily lives and spiritual practices. This duality of geological and cultural richness makes the Black Belt a hotspot for exploration. Biodiversity rankings, Alabama's rich aquatic heritage, and ecosystem diversity. Alabama has earned a prominent spot as one of the most biodiverse states in the United States, thanks to its unparalleled variety of freshwater species. This recognition stems from the state's unique geography, climate, and hydrology, which have fostered an environment teeming with life. Alabama's rivers, streams, wetlands, and reservoirs support more species of fish, mussels, turtles, and snails than any other state, making it a hotspot for aquatic biodiversity. The Mobile River Basin, in particular, is a jewel in Alabama's ecological crown. This vast watershed encompasses a range of aquatic habitats, from swift-flowing streams to placid wetlands, each hosting species that are often found nowhere else in the world. Alabama is home to 38% of North America's fish species and 60% of its mussel species. Many of these creatures are endemic, meaning they evolved specifically in the region and cannot survive elsewhere. This remarkable biodiversity is not limited to aquatic life. Alabama's forests, caves, and coastal ecosystems also harbor a wealth of plant and animal species, contributing to its overall ecological richness. The state's karst topography, characterized by limestone caves and sinkholes, provides unique habitats for rare cave-dwelling organisms. Additionally, the coastal areas and estuaries of Alabama support diverse marine life, including shrimp, oysters, and crabs, vital both ecologically and economically. Recognition of Alabama's biodiversity underscores the importance of conservation efforts. Human activities such as urbanization, pollution, and dam construction have threatened many of the state's native species. Conservation organizations are working to restore habitats, protect endangered species, and educate the public about the ecological treasure trove in their backyard. This biodiversity not only enhances Alabama's natural beauty, but also plays a critical role in maintaining healthy ecosystems, providing opportunities for recreation and supporting the state's economy through activities like fishing, tourism, and ecotourism. Conservation efforts in the mobile Tensaw Delta, protecting Alabama's ecological crown jewel. In 2024, conservationists ramped up their efforts to safeguard the mobile Tensaw Delta, one of Alabama's most ecologically significant regions. Known as America's Amazon, this delta is a sprawling network of rivers, swamps, bayous, and wetlands that covers over 260,000 acres in South Alabama. It is a biodiversity hotspot, home to hundreds of bird species, rare flowers, and unique plants like pitcher plants and sundews, some of the world's most fascinating carnivorous plants. The mobile Tensaw Delta serves as a vital habitat for countless species, including alligators, otters, and migratory birds. It also houses numerous aquatic species, such as the Alabama red-bellied turtle, which is critically endangered. These ecosystems not only support wildlife, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the region's environmental health by filtering water, controlling flooding, and supporting fisheries. Recent conservation efforts have focused on combating threats such as habitat loss, invasive species, and pollution. Urban expansion, agriculture, and industrial activities have encroached upon the delta, disrupting its delicate ecological balance. Initiatives in 2024 included large-scale restoration projects aimed at revitalizing wetland habitats, controlling invasive plants and animals, and reducing agricultural runoff to improve water quality. Public education and community involvement are also key components of these conservation efforts. Programs have been launched to raise awareness about the delta's ecological and cultural importance, encouraging residents and visitors to support its preservation. Ecotourism has become a growing industry in the region, providing economic incentives to maintain the delta's pristine condition while allowing people to experience its natural beauty responsibly. The mobile Tensaw Delta is more than just a natural wonder. It is a lifeline for biodiversity, a buffer against climate change, and a vital resource for the communities that rely on it. By protecting this unique ecosystem, Alabama ensures the continued survival of its natural heritage for future generations. Precision farming and technological innovations.
Well, it's a tough time for many Alabama farmers. New data shows the number of farms in our state are shrinking.
Yeah, and on top of that, the pandemic, the economy, even wars overseas are putting downward pressure on the industry. WSFA 12 News reporter Brady Talbert is here with a look at how all that is impacting our local farmers.
In 2024, Alabama witnessed a substantial increase in investments, exceeding $3.5 billion dedicated to agricultural projects, emphasizing precision farming. This approach utilizes information technology to ensure crops and soil receive precise treatments for optimal health and productivity. Key technologies include satellite-based crop monitoring, AI-driven decision support systems, and drone technology for field mapping. These innovations have led to enhanced crop yields, reduced resource usage, and improved profitability for farmers. Auburn University has been at the forefront of promoting sustainable farming practices. Under the leadership of Dr. Paul Patterson, the university has advanced research in areas such as precision irrigation, soil health management, and the development of drought-resistant crop varieties. The establishment of state-of-the-art facilities, including the Charles C. Miller Poultry Research and Education Center and the STEM Plus Ag Sciences Complex, underscores the commitment to integrating agricultural sciences with STEM disciplines. Research into alternative crops like bamboo, has gained attention. The temperate Henan strain of bamboo is being explored for its potential to diversify Alabama's agricultural portfolio, offering new economic opportunities for farmers. Bamboo farming could provide sustainable materials for various industries, aligning with environmental and economic goals. The Alabama Cooperative Extension System and Auburn University's College of Agriculture have launched the Future of Farming project. This initiative aims to increase the adoption of soil, nutrient, and water conservation practices by establishing on-farm demonstrations and facilitating knowledge exchange among farmers. Such programs are crucial in helping farmers adopt digital technologies and sustainable agricultural practices, ensuring the long-term viability of Alabama's agriculture. These developments highlight Alabama's commitment to advancing its agricultural sector through innovation, sustainability, and education, positioning the state as a leader in modern farming practices. Energy innovations in the heart of Alabama, from coal mining to solar farms, Alabama's energy landscape is evolving. Recently, a breakthrough in renewable energy technology was achieved in the state, involving the development of more efficient solar panels. These advancements could position Alabama as a leader in clean energy. But what role does Alabama's geology play in this transition? The state's abundant natural resources, such as quartz and rare earth minerals, are critical for manufacturing solar technology. This intersection of natural history and modern innovation underscores Alabama's unique place in the energy revolution. Alabama's rich tapestry of geological, archaeological, and ecological wonders makes it a state like no other. From fossilized forests to groundbreaking energy solutions, the discoveries here are rewriting the history books and inspiring new questions. What secrets will the next expedition uncover? Leave a comment below and let us know which discovery amazed you the most. Do you think there are more Ice Age fossils or hidden caves still waiting to be found? We'd love to hear your thoughts and theories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more amazing discoveries and hidden wonders from around the world. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure.